Welcome back to another episode of Backyard Texas Barbecue. Today I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite rubs. It's so versatile, it can go on chicken, ribs, pork, vegetables, you name it. So my name is Kristen, and every single Friday I'm sharing with you a new barbecue recipe. Today is a little bit different because I'm sharing with you one of my most favorite rubs. It has so many different ingredients, but put them all together and it tastes amazing. Now, one of my most favorite things to make with this rub are ribs. Now, this is my go-to rub for my ribs. It's a little bit of sweet, a little spicy, but not bad. Once it gets cooking, there's no words to describe it. It's delicious. So come with me and I'll show you how to make this delicious, versatile rub that can go on almost everything.
So you're gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of salt, 1/2 cup of paprika. Now I know that seems like a lot of paprika, but I'm telling you, it's delicious. Keep going, 1/2 cup. On top of that, add 3 tablespoons of coarse ground pepper. Then 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. And add 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you don't like a lot of spice, that's okay. It's mostly for flavor. Then your last teaspoon is celery salt. And that is it. It is a super simple, basic rub. So now you're just going to mix it all together. Now, lots of the professionals like to dry out their brown sugar. I really don't like to. I like to keep it a little more moist. That means it will go bad in about a month. So I store it in a container and make sure that I use it within the month for all of my cooking needs. Now I like to store it in old containers that are lying around. I just make sure I clean them out really well and then label them. So next week I'm going to be making this delicious smoked pork tenderloin with this rub that I've made. So make sure to come back next Friday and watch that video. Now if you love barbecue recipes, don't forget to subscribe and push that little bell so you can get all the notifications every time I post. And I will see you guys next week. Have a good day. See ya.